Przedsiębiorstwo Budownictwa Ogólnego Dach is a Polish construction company founded on June 3, 1986 by Jan Chorostkowski, who founded and developed it into one of the largest development companies in southwestern Poland. The beginnings were difficult because the company started its operations in the socialist era, when the authorities of the Polish state did not allow for the development of private business. It was only marketization in 1989 that opened up more possibilities for business. Dachbud dynamically entered the housing market by implementing entire residential and service complexes in and around Wrocław. Jan Chorostkowski transformed his company into a limited liability company. This transformation was dictated by the need to adapt the company to changes taking place in the market economy. The company extended its machine park, employed an increasing number of qualified employees, engineers, technicians, and construction specialists. Jan Chorostkowski runs his own sales office at the headquarters of the company. Dachbud is constantly managed comprehensively by Jan Chorostkowski using the highest standards of services. Jan Chorostkowski also published 2 books. It is Action That Brings Success and From a Clay Brick to Contemporaneity. Dachbud built 2,900 apartments on the Psiepole estate. On a former field full of strawberries, new buildings were built with all the necessary technical infrastructure. In this way, the appearance of this part of Wrocław changed significantly. When there were no building materials on the market, President Jan Chorostkowski decided to buy a brickyard. He has been building using healthy, ecological materials. The company handed over the most recognizable building at Kromera Street to nearly 500 residents. It is an investment with access to well-developed public transport. In its portfolio, the company also has estates of single-family houses at Krawerska Street. The building at Wejherowska Street is a project that was established in the city center right next to one of the main and most important streets of the city. Dachbud is also the author of a 12-story building at Lotnicza Street, situated by a picturesque lake. In the near distance of the main railway station, a block was built with 485 apartments and 51 commercial premises. Currently, a large housing estate is under construction in the northern part of Wrocław at Kminkowa Street. The company will complete 1,500 apartments. President Jan Chorostkowski is always engaged in company's activities, also participating in making decisions on the construction side. He solves problems, advises construction managers and individual workers, and ensures that construction goes smoothly. Every employee is important to him. At the same time, Dachbud started its investment in the southern part of the city at Smarcowska Street. Here, 287 families will find their apartments. It is difficult to list all the buildings built by Dachbud. Jan Chorostkowski wants the apartments built by the company to be comfortable and their structure to be well thought out. For those interested, it also offers completely finished apartments. Jan Chorostkowski has also been an honorary consul of Bulgaria for 20 years. In 2018, Jan Chorostkowski received the Medal of the Madeira Rider, the highest award of the President of Bulgaria to foreigners. This is proof of the consulate's exemplary work and a huge contribution to building good Polish-Bulgarian relations. Other important events, such as meeting with the President of the Republic of Bulgaria, Georgi Parvanov, in Wrocław, or the visit of Duchess Maria Luisa from the Saxe-Coburg-Gotha dynasty. The President of Poland awarded him with the Bronze and Golden Cross of Merit. and the City Council of Wrocław honored Jan Chorostkowski with the Wrocław Award for all his work for the city. In 2015, he received the prestigious title of Business Icon awarded by the Wrocław Chamber of Commerce for local patriotism and business culture of market leaders, entrepreneurs who build free market economy. Among numerous awards and distinctions, the following cannot be overlooked: a Forbes Diamond 2009 certificate, Developer of the Year, and Lower Silesian Economic Certificate, received 6 times, and many others. For 6 years, President Jan Chorostkowski has been titled as a VIP of business. He is a laureate of numerous prizes awarded for helping the poorest and the neediest. Jan Chorostkowski owes his success above all to his consistency in action, persistent pursuit of his goals, and the fact that all the time he is always one step ahead in his plans. He believes that he also owes what he has gained to his employees who are able to achieve his goals and dreams. Jan Chorostkowski constitutes an example of how responsible, hard, and honest work brings great results and successes. His phenomenon involves having such a personality that allowed him to expand a small-sized company into an enterprise of its current size and position. In November this year, the company finished the construction of residential area at Smardzowska Street and is currently within the process of handing the keys over to new residents. All apartments were sold, and the area begins to live its own life. New residents will already spend cheerful Christmas time for the first time in their new apartments. At the same time, the 5th stage of Kminkowa Street residential area is approaching its completion, started in November 2018. In December 2019, we will finish all the works and the buildings will be commissioned. Last finishing works are in progress before the residential area can shine bright. Right next to the 5th stage, buildings within the 6th stage are growing up high. The works began 4 months ago and the apartments will be ready in mid-2020. This year brought President Jan Chorostkowski new distinctions. In Milan, he was awarded with the title of the Manager of the Year by Europe Business Assembly with its seat in Oxford, as well as obtained the Best Enterprise Certificate. In the French city of Cannes, he received the Excellence in Quality license and became 142nd member of Global Club of Leaders. Named the Business Icon, he is set as an example and the model of a modern European entrepreneur and manager.